Collaborative study groups, an excellent way to get students working together. Step 1 is the pre-work. This can be done as homework the night before or as a warm-up activity. Students are asked to write down their initial question, that original question that they do not understand. Then they're going to try to think critically about it by drawing a graph, a chart, a table, or a Venn diagram. Finally, they're going to come up with a point of confusion, a specific question that stems from the point that they get confused. The next step is what happens during the collaborative study group.
Relationship between the formula area equals pi r squared and a circle. And how do I use what I know to find area of a circle?
Like, where do you have? How can I find the diameter of the circle?
How do you know either you need to use pi if you don't need pi? And if so, why or why not?
So my POC is, how can I determine what is the area of the circle?
My POC is, do we have to divide 3.6 by 2?
I don't understand how to get to the diameter of the circumference.
My POC is, how can I simplify 4.4 to get to the radius of the circle?
My POC is, I don't know what step comes next after multiplying 9.7 times 7. Do I multiply or divide?
And I know that they give me my number and I have to divide that. I have to multiply that by 2. So 4.4 times 4.4. And multiply that by 3.14. But in this case, like I have to find the circumference of the divider. I don't know where. Like I got stuck where I divided.
Where do you think you need to divide 314 to 40?
Like to get it and like if I'm going to divide almost.
Okay, so when there's like numbers on the side of each other and if there's like no sign in the middle of it, would it be like, do you know what it is? Okay, so if shouldn't you multiply this part? Or maybe like if there's like a fraction sign, that means divide. So since there ain't any, shouldn't you multiply?
Oh, I had to add a 0 because when I divided it, I can't divide the 314 by 44 if I add a 0.
No, I mean, why do you need to divide 3.14?
Because that's pi. And if we have circumference, we divide. I think.
POC is, how can I get the diameter from the circumference, and if I need to divide it to get the diameter?
So, guys, what I was confused on is trying to find the diameter. And, I had to find the radius. So, y'all guys have told me that the radius is half of the diameter. And so I would have to divide it by the radius. And now I get how to find the radius of the diameter.
By 4.4 to get the diameter of the circumference, but now, since y'all helped me gain my understanding of my question, now I see that you have to divide it by the pi in order to get the diameter of the circumference.
The final step, and arguably the most important step of the collaborative study group, is when the students take time to reflect. Students should elaborate on the following questions. What did you learn about your specific question or your POC? When and how did you gain a new, greater understanding about the specific question? Your aha moment. And how does this new learning connect to previous learning experiences, other classes, yourself, and your world? What did you find meaningful about today's CSG? Thank you for checking out our collaborative study groups. If you have any questions, don't forget to email or check out an AVID student near you.